Hey all, my name is Paul Borowski and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today is to show y'all how to use my Sunglasses Store Pro Forma Financial Projection model, how to use that model to quickly and easily complete your Sunglasses Store Business Plan financial model. So the way the video is going to play out is, first and foremost, I'm going to go ahead and give you a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. From that point in time, I'm then going to introduce you all to the Excel file or the financial model portion of my Sunglasses Store Business Plan template. So the template comes with a Word document and the financial model, and this video is a tutorial for the financial model that will, once complete, and it shouldn't take you about 15-20 minutes. Once complete, you'll have your pro forma financial projections ready for your Sunglasses Store. All right, so as promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borowski, owner of Quality Business Plan, as well as Quality Business Consultant. I do have an MBA, as well as I am a doctoral candidate. I'm also a business writer, as well as a strategic plan consultant. So if y'all do need some help writing the business plan, creating a strategic plan, please pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. I'd be delighted to do it for you. I'm also an author of several books, so if you do want to have some reading material on business plan writing or financial modeling, check out some of my books on Amazon.com. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor and subject matter expert for both business and finance. So if you're good to go with your business plan, your strategic plan is even better. But it's those numbers, it's those pro forma financial projections that are giving you a nightmare. Please pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to do those projections for you. All right, so without further ado, let me go ahead and introduce y'all to the star of the show, which is my Sunglasses Store financial model. So the financial model does come in Excel. It has 4 tabs. And when you do buy my Sunglasses Business Plan template, it comes with this model. It also comes with the Word document. Say hello, Word document. And so, again, this video, we're going to focus on this. All right, so on this financial model, it comes with the information page. This is where you're going to make all your changes in the darker colored cells. Once you make those changes, then the projections tab will update. Nice little chart here. That's a free bonus for y'all. And these summaries will update. And then your next 12-month profit and loss statement will update. And this is broken up quarterly. And then also, this is included in this is your pro forma income statement for the next 5 years. When you update your information tab, all of those tabs will update automatically. For my information page tab, the heart and soul of my template, it is broken up into categories as well. And this is our daily revenue generator, our labor, our startup costs, monthly fixed costs, and then growth rates. So the way this plays out here, I do have some fictitious numbers in here, and these are the numbers that I would envision would be accurate if I were to start a sunglasses store business. And so the way this is broken out for the revenues is average customer sales. So how many customers are you going to be working with on a daily basis? On average, you'll put it right here. So if you work with 15 customers, put 15. If you think you're going to have 20 customers a day, put 20. This is your average sales price. If you think your average ticket is going to be $120, put 120. If you think it's going to be 100, put 100. And this is your variable cost. How much is it going to cost you? So if you have a sale for $100, how much do you want to pay for the sunglasses that you're selling? In this scenario, it's 40%. It could be 50%, depends on your pricing strategy. It's up to you. But those are the 3 variables you'll be changing for the revenues. Next section right here is going to be the number of days you're going to be open a week. If you're going to be open 6 days a week, put 6. 5 days a week, put 5. If it's going to be 7 days, put 7. Next section is going to be your labor. Your first line is going to be how much money do you want to make, or your management team, how much you're going to pay your management team. You'll put that number right here. In this scenario is 3,000. And then the next line is how many employees are you going to have? What is their average pay? And how many hours are they going to work a month? If they're going to work full-time, it's going to be 172. If it's going to be part-time, then you change that number lower. The next section is going to be your startup cost. The first 2 lines is going to be your investment. So how much are you going to invest into the company? First line is equity investment. This is how much money you're coming out of pocket with. And then the next line is going to be your loan, how much money you're going to borrow if you're going to borrow. If you're not going to borrow any money, put 0. If you're going to borrow $100,000, then type in 100,000. Once you type in that $100,000, it will automatically populate down here for the loan information. You can then go ahead and put your interest rate and your term, and your payment will be calculated, and that will also be populated throughout the financial model and your projections. The following line items right down here, these are just some startup categories for you to allocate your startup funds. Just make sure that whatever your equity investment and loan amount is equal to the categories listed below. Anywhere in the darker color cells, you can go ahead and change the titles. You can go ahead and change the dollar amounts. However, these two cells right here, they're static. Please don't change them. And then these two cells right here, they're static as well. Next section is going to be your monthly fixed cost. Whatever your rent, utilities, office expenses, insurance, accounting, advertising, whatever that may be, go ahead and put them there. And then all of your other costs, whatever they may be, go ahead and total them up and then put them in that last line there. Miscellaneous information is going to be whatever your tax rate is going to be. And then for the growth rates here, the growth rates, you can go ahead and change these for the next 5 years. And then these are the growth rate for your various costs. So once you go ahead and update all this information, you'll then want to go ahead and go to the 12-month profit and loss statement, and you want to go to the income statement, and you're going to want to update this into the Word document. So the way to do that is you're going to go ahead and highlight the income statement, hit Control C, then you'll go over to the Word document. You'll go ahead and highlight the old income statement, hit backspace, and then you'll hit Control V, and it'll update your pro forma income statement for you. All right, hopefully this tutorial was helpful. So let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up. So in summary, if you do buy my Sunglasses Store business plan template, it does come with the Word document, which is covered in a separate tutorial. And it also comes with the financial model, and the financial model tutorial is what we just went through. There are a couple limitations. First and foremost, that my template is not compatible with Google Docs, and it's not compatible with Apple products like your Apple Pages. Also, if you have questions about the template before you buy it, I'd be delighted to have a conversation with you. Give me a call, send me a text, send me an email, and I can tell you all the wonderful benefits about my Sunglasses Store business plan template. After you purchase the template and you want some help with the template, I do not offer free phone support. I mean, I'll fill out the template for you if you like, but I do charge for it. So just keep that in mind. And if you do want to buy my Sunglasses Store business plan template, the link is right here. And also to help you all write the template, I do have a multitude of tutorials to help you go ahead and fill out each one of the sections of the business plan template. And the tutorials are free, and you can watch them right here on this link right here. And then finally, if you don't want to mess with a template and you don't want to mess with tutorials, you just want your business plan done, I would be delighted to write it for you. Check out my prices page here for custom business plan prices and custom strategic plan prices. All right, hopefully this information was helpful. As always, go out and make a little bit of money and have a great day. Thank you.